Hi, welcome to my blog. My name is Tom Shu. Today we're going to be doing another Lightroom tutorial, and in this tutorial I'm going to talk to you about using the map module inside Lightroom. You see, when you take images with your camera, it has all kinds of metadata embedded into the file. You know, whatever you've typed into your camera, the name, the date, the time, the size of the file, the lens. Well, also, there's an option to put in GPS data. You can go out and spend $150, $200 on a dongle or something like that that lets you capture GPS information when you make each image. You could also use like your iPhone or Android phone that automatically embeds that GPS data in the metadata of each one of the images you make. But there's a couple other tricks you could do too. You could get an app for your phone like My Tracks if you have an Android. I think it might even be the same app for an iPhone. And what it will do is it will create a track log. I did that. I have a Evo 4G LTE, but I also have this old Garmin I picked up at a pawn shop for $20. And this creates a track log. You just throw it up on the dash, or you can put it in your pocket or backpack, and as you go around or walk around for the day, it's going to record where you went and what time you went. Well, since the time capture and date information is already embedded in the metadata of your file, it can be easily synced to the track log that's created with the GPS. So let's look at some of the images. I grabbed this one from Heritage Park, and I grabbed one from the post office in Henderson. Grabbed some different basketball goals and things. Just whatever was interesting to me when I was walking around. Actually, I was driving and walking. So let's go into the map module real quick. And up here you can do a search if you want to find something. So we'll type in Henderson. And see, it's going to pull up Henderson, Nevada right here. And let's zoom in and kind of take a peek at where it is. Okay, there's Henderson. So in order to put a track log in, you have to come over here to this little drop down menu. If you left click here, it says load track logs. We'll go into and find these track logs. And I used my 4G LTE, and I also used my Garmin. I did it yesterday and today, which is 8/8. So we'll just select this one. So you can see this was the track log. And on this track log, if you hover, it'll tell you the time. So here I was at 1:23 and 1:21, 1:18. So you can see that this track log started somewhere over here, and I went around this way, and I came back this way and back around, and I went all these squiggly lines, and I went up in some parks. There's a park over here and a park over there, and I just drove all around. So now we want to put these images up there. Okay, so if you want to find out what these little cursors are, if you type view and you type show map key, it'll show you a key of all of what these markers mean. Okay, so what I'll do is I'll select all these images. I'll hit Control A, and we'll go over here, we'll close this log down, and we'll type auto tag these 47 selected images. And there you go. It's going to put them all up based on the metadata in the file to the metadata on the track log. So if you notice, Heritage Park is right here. If we look at this image, there's the image of Heritage Park. Let's go over here maybe and find the post office. I think it's on Boulder Highway. Well, those are those basketball goals. Kind of have to peek around. Here's the post office, I believe, right here. Well, I guess maybe that one wasn't synced. If, for example, you have a place where the images don't sync, yep, there's the post office, and I know these are my post office images, you can do this little trick right here. Oh, it pulled them up. There it is. So if they're not in the right spot, which sometimes they can mess up and cause you a problem, we can just drag those images right over there to the post office. So we'll drag them right over here to the post office. and we can place the entire selection or just the photo, which was those were the two, and you see it corrected them from this portion of Boulder Highway to right where the post office is. So we'll zoom in here, and you see there's the U.S. Post Office, and that's where I was when I took those pictures, right here. So there you have it. Thank you all for watching and visiting my blog. I hope you all have a great day. Oh, I forgot. There's one other trick I wanted to show you. Say, for example, this image here, I wanted to look at it on Google Maps. If I hold down the Alt key and I click on this little arrow in the metadata, it will launch a browser and show me those images inside of Google Chrome. There it is. Now, thank you all for watching. I hope you all have a great day.